Good morning, Coyotes, Roadrunners, and Martians. Happy Friday! Can't believe we're almost at the end of week 3 here. All right, so let's check in about the avoiding plagiarism quiz that you took yesterday. I woke up to about, as you can see, 61 emails. Obviously, not all of them were about the retake, but I will say probably about 50% were. I will not be responding individually to those emails. I'm going to explain the retake process today. So notice in my directions yesterday for this 10-point quiz, I said, you may use your notes and resources, slideshows from previous posts. Okay, so did we see this? This has been posted not once, but twice now for the paraphrasing and using direct quotes mini lessons that I posted. So notice that it's the word and the definition, which was the first part, questions 1, 2, and 3 of the quiz you had yesterday. So if you missed the definition, matching the definition to the word, I am not going to let you redo that because, quite frankly, you had the answers right in front of you the whole time. So this is an exercise in slowing down, paying attention, and reading directions. For those that missed questions outside of the matching the term to the definition, I am granting you an opportunity to retake it. But here's the thing. This is what your retake is going to look like for today. Please put your name at the top. I've attached the entire Newsella text. It's in this box here. And then it's the same thing. So for the rest of the questions, you need to identify which strategy I used. So it's either going to be summarizing, paraphrasing, or using direct quotes. And I need an explanation. So this is only if you got the question wrong. If you answered the question correctly on the original test or quiz, then do not take the time to re-explain yourself, okay? You're just doing an answer analysis for the questions that you did not receive full credit for, okay? So questions 1, 2, and 3 are about identifying the strategy and explaining why it is summarizing, why it is paraphrasing, or why it is using a direct quote. Part 3, again, you are only going to respond here on the questions that you missed on the original quiz. And so you need to explain, did I plagiarize, yes or no? So keep in mind, you have access to your copy of the scores, okay? So you'll know which question you got wrong or correct. This is going to take some time today. You are going to have to be very careful, and you're going to have to do a close reading, not only of the Newsella text, but of the questions. Okay, so after this, there are no more retakes for this. I think it goes without saying that I'm a little disappointed that it's come to this. It was pretty straightforward. I do expect you guys to be reading the directions and reading everything thoroughly. If there's a Google form, please, please, please stop just clicking around and doing things fast to get it done, okay? There's really no reason why this is even a thing, but here we are. So again, to recap, this is due today, by the end of the day. So you can do it this morning, this afternoon, or tonight. I don't care, just get it to me if you would like a revised score, okay? So questions 1 through 3, that would be matching the term to the definition on the original quiz. There are no retakes for those questions, okay? I will not allow retakes for that because it's quite ridiculous that you had access to this page. So if you missed it, that's on you. But questions for, part 2 and part 3, you can make up. So there's 7 questions on that original quiz that I will allow you to do an answer analysis for. Okay. I really don't think I can be any more clear about this, but if for some reason you are still struggling and don't understand something, please reach out. Again, I look forward to seeing you at 1 for our read aloud, and then we will go through with normal hangouts today. At 1:15, I have Roadrunners, 1:30, Martians, 1:45, Coyotes. And Coyotes, if you have social studies questions for me, I'm happy to extend that time past 2. Oh, wait, actually, I think that's when you have UA. Never mind. All right, have a lovely day. Take care. And please, please, please do your best work. Bye.